बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में एमएस वर्ड के एमसीक्यूज़ हम कवर करने वाले हैं। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि नई वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। प्रेस द इंटर की इन ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सर्कमस्टांसेस except to insert a blank line into a document when the insertion point reaches the right margin, to begin a new paragraph in response to certain word commands. So the correct option is B. What is the purpose of inserting header and footer in document? To enhance the overall appearance of the document, to mark the starting and ending of page, to mark large document more readable, to allow page headers and footers appear on document when printed. So the correct option is D. What is the use of document map in MS Word? To quickly format the document, to quickly print a required page, to quickly navigate the document, to quickly correct spelling mistakes. So the correct option is C. To get to the symbol dialog box, click on the dash menu and choose symbol. Insert, format, tools, table. So the correct option is A. To set an exception to an autocorrect rule, click dash on the menu bar and then click autocorrect option to display the autocorrect dialog box. Format, edit, tools, views. So the correct option is C. How do you magnify your document in MS Word? View, zoom, format font, tools options, tools customize. So the correct option is A. Which would you choose to list synonyms and antonyms of a selected word? Tools, spelling and grammars, tools, language, tools, options, insert, cross-reference. So the correct option is B. Which would you choose to display the statistic about a document? Tools, word count, insert, statistic, tools, spelling and grammar, tools, statistics. So the correct option is A. Which is an Office feature that makes it easy to edit embedded objects? Pasting, visual editing, tools, update links, edit links. So the correct option is B. Which feature is used for monitoring all document changes? Edit document, monitor change, track all. Correct option is C. How many margins are there on a page? 2. Header and footer. 4. Top, bottom, right, left. 2. Landscape and portrait. 4. Center, top, left and bottom. So the correct option is B. On the works cited page, list works by each author's last name and dash the title of the work. Italicize or underline, boldface or italicize, underline or boldface, enlarge or underline. So the correct option is A. When a hyperlink is created, what formats a web address as? Italicized and colored red, italicized and colored blue, underlined and colored red, underlined and colored blue. The correct option is D. What is the name of the feature that will allow you to take a step backward if you have made a mistake? Redo, cancel, undo, backspace. Correct option is C. To read through a document, you may use the arrow key, dragging the scroll box on the scroll bar. Use your enter key to go down line by line only A and B. So the correct option is D. Which of the following can you change using the page setup dialog box? Margins, page orientation, vertical alignment, all of the above. Correct option is D. The column command in MS Word is located on the dash tab. Insert home view page layout. Correct option is D. Using the ribbon, where should you go to activate the ruler on your document? View, toolbars, file, then open, file, then ruler, insert, then reference. Correct option is C. Before creating a master document in MS Word, you must switch to normal view, outline view, web layout view, print layout view. Correct option is B. Before moving a sub-document to another location within a master document, you must switch to normal view, outline view, web layout view, print layout view. Correct option is D. Which of the following can be used to navigate documents? Frames, hyperlinks, web toolbar, all of the above. So the correct option is D. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही काफ़ी है और जाते जाते हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। अल्लाह हाफिज़।